Hello guys, as we already know, there are 4 modules in the PT exam. The first module is speaking module, the second module is writing module, the third module is reading module, and the fourth module is listening module. Today I will discuss the speaking module with you. Okay, so let's start with the speaking module. Okay, all we know that the speaking module is the first module as we going to attempt the PT exam. So there are total 5 type of questions. So the first question is read aloud. We will get 6 to 7 questions of read aloud. Okay, and after read aloud, the second type of questions are repeat sentences. There are 10 to 12 repeat sentences we will get in our exam. Okay, and the third type of question in the speaking module is describe image. We get 6 to 7 questions of these types. Okay, we have 6 to 7 images in our exam, so we have to describe that. And the fourth type of question in this module is read a lecture. In our exam, we have 3 to 4 type of read a lectures. Okay, and the fifth type of question in our exam is answer short question. We will get 10 to 12 answer short questions in our exam. So I will discuss with you one by one all the questions. So I think you understood the pattern of the exam. So I will start with the read aloud. As I already told, there are 6 to 7 questions in the read aloud. So what we have to focus to attempt this question? Okay, as we already know, read aloud has marks in 2 modules, like in the speaking module and in the reading module. In the speaking module, you will get the marks on the base of your 2 things. The first thing is pronunciation, and the second thing is fluency. Pronunciation of each word should be very clear and should be very good, and the second thing is fluency. And in the reading module, you will get the marks on the base of your content. Okay, so how we get to know what should be included in these? So firstly, I will discuss the pronunciation. In the pronunciation part, you should have to pronounce the word pa, tha, kha, pa, tha, kha. You should not, like pataka sound like pen. We should not use pen. We should pen, pa, tha, kha. We should have to pen, not pen, pen. And second is car, not car, kha. And the next example is table. We are not saying table, it's table. Okay, if we use her, kha sound in our read aloud, then we will get good marks on the base of pronunciation. And the second thing we have to know about the read aloud is fluency. Fluency means you have to read your full paragraph with same pace. Your fluency should be same. Your fluency should not be up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay. So in the fluency, you should have to avoid the unwanted pauses like uh, like you should not have to take the unwanted pauses during your performance. Okay, if you take care about these two things, you will get good marks in your speaking. And the third part is content. Content is very important in this read aloud. Okay, you will get 25 marks towards your reading section. So content is very important. What is included in the content? First one is that you in the content you should not misspell a word. You should not misspell. Second, don't skip any word. And third one is take care of S or ES after word. Okay, if you misspell any word, then you will get not any marks of that word. And second one is if you skip any word, then the marks will be deducted from your content section or your reading section. And the third one is please take care of the S or ES after any word. If there is plural, then you will not convert it into the singular word. If you like it is fishes and you said fish, then you will get not any marks. Okay, so take care of SES, don't skip any word, and don't misspell any word. If you take care about these three things, then you will get definitely good marks in your reading section. Okay, read aloud is the first and the most important questions of the PT exam as well as for the speaking module. Okay. The second question of the speaking module I will discuss is repeat sentences. In this question, you will hear a audio clip. The audio clip will consist of 8 to 14 word or 8 to 16 word. You have to listen, you have to carefully listen that audio and take pause of 2 to 3 seconds, then repeat the complete sentence. Okay, you have to immediately repeat that sentence. If you take more than 2 or 3 seconds to repeat that sentence, then you will not get any marks, as well as in the speaking module as well in the listening module. Okay, if in that sentence you also take care about, first one is pronunciation. Please pronounce the word as it is you listen in your audio. Okay, and second one is fluency. You should be very fluent to pronounce that word. Okay, like there are 4 cows and 2 dogs. You should have there are 4 cows and 2 dogs. You should not have to like do there are 4 cats and 2 dogs. No, you will not get any marks. Okay, and the third thing is content. You will get the marks in your listening module on the basis of content. If you repeat, like there are 12 words in the audio and you completely repeat that word, then you will get good marks in your listening part. Okay, and if you pronounce 8 to 12 words completely, but there was not a fluency, or you mispronounce the word, then you will deduct marks in content or as well as in your speaking module. So please take care about that. Repeat sentences have 20 marks towards your speaking module and 30 marks towards your listening module. So it is the second most important question of your PT exam as well as for your speaking module. Okay guys, today I discuss only the two most important questions of the speaking module. In the tomorrow lecture I will discuss the example of these two questions. I think you understood all. Thank you for watching this. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.